Speed? 0.0001 meters per second. Fascinating patience.
So boring, Pooh.
Wow, a golden dumpling. It looks crunchy.
Pooh,
Stop! That's a TikTok berry. It has unstable temporal energy. Time!
whatever. No time to be hungry. Tastes like old pennies.
Pooh, help me. Why are you fast?
Poe, why are you falling so slowly?
Pooh, help me. I can't stop running. Is the world...
You have time, Hiccups. Your timeline is glitching. We need the old sundial tortoise.
Big trouble. You need.
Mr. Tortoise! Poe ate the TikTok berry. He is glitching!
Hurry up, Mr. Turtle. I'm dizzy.
But beware. If you hiccup 100,
Times you will be stuck in the past.
89 hiccups already. Run, Poe.
Hurry up! Hiccup count is 91.
My legs are so heavy.
Energy restored.
I am Speed. Watch out for the tree. The Still Valley.
Time moves 1,000 times slower here.
Wow, frozen water marbles.
Don't touch. The butterfly effect could collapse the timeline.
I drink these. The beard is far.
Hello, Birdie. Where is the water?
Wait for the time tear. It falls at sunset. At this rate, that drop will fall in 10 years.
H-I-C. H-I?
Poe, you're fading into the past. You're turning vintage.
See my grandpa.
Physics assist. Newton's first law. One more left.
Bloop.
Excuse me, tastes like fizzy mineral water.
Look, Pooh.
Time is flowing again.
You are back already?
Mission accomplished. Sir Poe is synchronized with the timeline.
Remember, fast is not all better. Enjoy the moment.
I promise, no more clock fruits.
Hey, buddy. Nice progress.
I'm putting the stopwatch away. Enough physics for today.
Being slow is nice, but dinner requires speed. Race you home.
No! Don't swim!
The laws of hydrodynamics are reversed. Up is down.
I'm swimming backwards. Help! Grab the log. We're going up the mountain. Hi, fishy. Why are you swimming with your butt? We are at the summit. The water is pooling in the sky. Why is my house in the clouds? And why does the water taste like old socks?
Sorry. Bad dumpling flavor.
That dumpling is the reverse core. It's stealing all the forest's water.
I'll eat it.
I have a strong stomach. Eno.
You'll turn into a skinny food hate.
We need to neutralize it. Matter versus antimatter. We need the original dumpling. Po!
Where is the good one?
It's in here. It was delicious.
You ate it. Wait, that means you are the positive charge. You are the antidote.
You have to touch the bad dumpling. Your belly energy will cancel it out.
Jump into the giant washing machine? Okay, for justice and flavor. Belly of Justice, activate!
You can't push me away. I am HM. Heavy
Purification belly flop!
It worked! Dumpling fusion reaction!
I forgot about the down part! Yee ha ha! Best bath ever!
60-degree incline. Brace for impact.
I feel thoroughly washed.
My babies! Your pointy heads are back!
Thanks, kid. My house is back where it belongs. You're a hero, a very wet one.
Order is restored. The negative energy is neutralized.
Hey, Pooh! The good dumpling inside me worked hard. Now it's gone.
So?
It's here. Watch out for the blades.
I don't want to be cut into a paper snowflake.
Po, flatten yourself.
Woo! Being flat has its perks.
We have to open this pop-up book. The kinetic energy will launch us home.
It's heavy. Pull together.
1, 2, 3, pull!
Oh, my soft, squishy belly. I missed you so much.
Back to three-dimensional biology.
No more folding. Time for eating.
We are reaching the troposphere. That light must be the sun crystal.
I smell warmth.
Woo! It's beautiful. It looks like a giant egg yolk.
Mine. It's warm. No take.
Hello, monkey. We need that stone to save the forest from freezing.
No, it's cold out there.
I need it to roast my potatoes. Hey, monkey. You're cold, right? The stone only warms one spot, but this will warm your whole body. Trade?
It's warm, like holding a hot-baked potato.
Thank you. Yummy potato.
Physics says smooth surface plus gravity equals maximum velocity.
You mean a slide?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, launch!
Safe landing!
The stone is still hot. Mine. It's warm. No take. Hurry! The gears are freezing solid. Eat this, frosty machine.
Activating mode, blazing summer.
The smell of warm grass. Summer is back.
It's too hot, Pooh. I regret everything. Can I have just a little snow back?
No way, Po. Let's go eat watermelon.
Watermelon, let's go.
And for the ultimate buns, we need the ultimate secret ingredient. The finest honey in all the land. Flower Dew honey.
No, it can't be. The honey is gone. Poe, don't panic. A good detective never panics. Look here.